Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to insert the SIM in this device. So I am going to insert the SIM. So at the bottom of the device you can see here is the SIM tray. I will show you. Here is the SIM tray. You can see. So to eject the SIM tray, you will get one SIM ejecting tool with your box itself. So here I am going to put the SIM ejecting tool inside this hole. Then press it. You can see that SIM tray is ejected. You can see, right? Now just pull the SIM tray like this, simple. So you can see this is for SIM 1 and here for SIM 2 and micro SD card. So here I am going to put the SIM 1 in the SIM 1 slot. So like this we need to put, then press the SIM. Yeah. Now put the SIM tray inside here and just press. Now just wait for few seconds. The SIM will detect, the device will detect the SIM. Just wait. Yeah. Now you can see the device is detected by the SIM. So simply in this way you can insert the SIM in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.